And then let's try the opposite way and see if that works. There you go. What's in the box? Okay guys, this video we're gonna be unboxing this box. Before we go to this, if you want to find out what's in this baby, well, obviously it says it right there. This is a Hydronics Door Efficient IQ, and I'm going to link a video either here or somewhere here, whichever way. I'm going to link the link up if you want to see unboxing for this. But before getting to that part, I'm going to do an unboxing of this. What's in the box? That's going to be my line though. Every time I open the box, it's going to be, what's in the box? That's going to be my tagline. I'm going to copyright that. Please don't steal my line. In this box, I have a manual laminator. I currently just picked up an interest into doing street signs, which I thought looked cool. So I decided after seeing somebody use one of those pneumatic laminator, I decided I'm going to purchase a manual one and start from here. Because you got to start somewhere. So before that, let me show you what's in the box and then I'll tell you a little bit more about it. Oh, you still can't see her yet. Dun, dun, dun. Hey. Alright guys, so that's what's in the box. Anybody that decided they want to go purchase this, one thing I did find out, Amazon is not cheaper. Go to AliExpress. So I bought it for about $80 and Amazon sold it for $120. I'm going to link the link down below. They're not paying me for this, I pay for this. But AliExpress has this and it's way cheaper than Amazon. So first, this I thought I broke some. Okay, so outside of this box, code mount a picture, machine usage, explanation. I never read any of those. I always get back to it. Don't be like me, go read, okay? I don't. So at least try to read the manuals because I don't read them. So I'm guessing this helps like that. The way this works, this is a manual laminator. I believe this is supposed to get put here. The way this works, once you put this in, this is supposed to be for you to turn. And the way it will work is, you will have something going in this way, whichever way, and then let's try the opposite way and see if that works. There you go. So essentially, the way this works is you will pretty much put whatever you want to laminate through this roll and you will spin it whichever way you want to. I gotta figure which way is which. But in the meantime, you understand the purpose. Because I'm going to use sign, I will use it to pretty much have it going this way. Put it back, close it, and speed it all out. That's that part. I got it from this company called Vivo. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. So I'm going to link the link down below for somebody that want this. This is not sponsored, I actually bought it. From what I understand, this is pretty much supposed to help with the gap between the two rollers, which will let you fit whatever you want to fit in there. As you can see, more space in between, and that's from just loosening this up. You can see I'm able to fit something bigger, and if I close this up, and now you can see, can't fit this anymore. So that's what that is for. It seems like it's been in the box for so long because I can see some of the lines from the paddings on the air. It doesn't stop me from using this. I'm going to actually have a video of me attempting to make a street sign. I just have to purchase some blank for me to do that. And that will be in another video, which I'm going to link somewhere up here, how I use this to make a street sign. That's for the next video. Thank you guys. Like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more videos about me unboxing stuff or showing how to work some of this stuff, because I'm going to show you how to make money with this, because I'm definitely going to make some money with this. So see you in the next video of me unboxing this bad boy right here. My name is Berlin. I know I didn't say that earlier, but it was more about unboxing this box. See you on the next video, guys.